Hello everyone, this is Ninite. This video will show you how to install software on your local computer. I am trying to show you a website, ninite.com. So let's start. First we have to go to control panel. Control will launch control panel. From programs you click on add remove programs. Here you can browse around alphabetically. You can browse with a publisher or installed date, size or version. So I'm just going to show you from name sorting. So you can sort the way you like to. So here the purpose is this, that what program you want to install, you have to download first. Any program you install, it goes into control panel. So this program will go to control panel, but I am going to show you, and also I am going to show you which website you are going to use. Currently I am going to use ninite.com. ninite.com. I had been using this website for the past 10 plus years. It is a very authentic website where you can find any kind of software you are looking for. They have two different versions. One is a light version and one is a pro version. Pro version is not free, you have to pay, but light version is good enough for you to look for whatever you are looking for. Currently you can see that you have web browsers or messaging, media, runtime, security, file sharing, online storage, anti-virus software, anything you want. You simply have to just check the box, then you can download it. Not only one software, you can download multiple softwares. Once you're done, you have to scroll down and get from NINITE option. So get your Ninite. So that's how I am going to select one software. I have installed already about a week ago. I'm going to run again just to show you as a demo. So this will update my existing software. This will not show me today's date, which is April 26, but from last week date you can see, I will be able to see it. So here I'm going to sort again this column. This column will show you exactly that when I have installed this software previously, but I did an update today. So this is my installed sorting. So here, as you can see, on 419 I had this K-Lite codec. This is a video player, so this codec plays any type of video you want to play on your computer. So this was basically an idea for you to start. So I just have put everyone on the track. So here you have to drive at your own. Simply I am going to open my video with this codec. So that was the main purpose, to show you. So I was working on some Azure stuff and I recorded. So I am going to open this now with this video just to show you that. So this was done now. Thank you for watching. Bye.